Welcome back to another VJ Productions video. Right now we're loading up. We already got Mitchell's dirt bike and go-kart. Welcome back. Trying to film the intro here, Mitchell. Nice. Welcome back to another episode of VJ Productions. Right now we got Mitchell's pickup loaded up with his, what is that, 125?
Oh yeah.
And his go-kart. And Bradley and Parker just disappeared. Where are they at?
I think they're loaded in the other shop.
Okay. Well, okay, wait, hold on. I hear some rapping. Where are they at? Wait. There they are. So yeah. Bradley's gonna bring his dirt bike and his four-wheeler. Then Parker's also bringing his four-wheeler. And we're gonna be heading out to like a gravel pit, sand pit, messing around, trying to do some cool stuff, I guess. So we'll keep you posted.
I got companies and pesos, I got people on my payroll. She don't do it unless I say so. I don't smoke if it ain't fuego. I should sauce them up like Prego, fettuccine with Alfredo. All I wanted was the fame in every game they made on Sega.
So Mitchell and I just got here at the sand pit. Parker and Bradley, they're on their way. They had to load up the four-wheelers, I think. And so yeah, we got our go-kart, the Mitchell's 125, and we're gonna unload all that. Mitchell's gonna get dressed and we're gonna try to get some cool shots for you guys. So yeah.
I was 5 or 6 years old when I had told myself, okay, you're special, but I treat you like my equal, never lesser. I was 26 years old when we had dropped this one amazing record. Had the world stepping, that's what I call epic. Couple summers later, I got paper, I acquired taste for salmon on a bagel.
There's a lot of potential for some dumb stuff right here. Let's see if we can break some more shoulders. Yeah, Mitchell, how many times have you broken your collarbone? One. That's it? Oh yeah. Alright, so we got everything loaded up here. Bradley's tightening up everything so nothing falls out on the way. But head out to Shale Sand Pit up by Finley, and Brett and Mitchell are already out there. We're gonna meet him there and rip around and get some good vids for you guys and see how. Let you know when we get out there. Spoilers on the dirt bike. Mitchell's already he's already going. So we just got done driving around at that sand pit. We were doing that probably an hour. Got some cool shots, but we're trying to build a jump right now. We'll probably be going down this hill a little bit, I think, right? Yeah, I think so. Hopefully. So yeah, we're on the other side of this little hill. We're kind of shoveling, flattening out some ground. So we're gonna see if that turns out, and we'll keep you posted.
On a square plate at the restaurant with the why you gotta stare face to know I either ball or I record over the stand base. Rapper face, strand headed, golden diamond teeth wearing. They just mad cause I got that cheese, bitch, I keep daring.
So that was test run number 1 of the jump.
No, a lot.
Turned up at the party, getting lit the yachty. With a Spanish Barbie, word to my mommy. In the middle of the party, bitch, get off me. In the cut, I'm rolling up my broccoli.
Not bad. It's better than last time. Could be better. Yeah, it could be better, but it's better than last time.
Yeah, I know your baby mama fond of me. All she wanna do is smoke that broccoli. Whispered in my ear, she tryna leave with me. Say that I can get that pussy easily. Say that I can hit did that shit so greasily. I'm a dirty dog, I did it.
We just got done riding out there at the gravel pit, and I don't know, I think we got some pretty good footage of stuff. Mitchell kind of gave the go-kart its last hurrah. I think he's selling that. How much are you selling it for?
$275. Anybody want it more, hit me up.
So, yeah, that pretty much does it for us. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Follow our Instagram. The link will be in the description below. And see you later.